Smartphone gadgets are no longer just about style. They make our lives easier, healthier, and even more creative. From photography to gaming, typing to hygiene, these accessories can completely upgrade the way you use your phone. Camera lens, kit for phone. A camera lens kit is a handy gadget that attaches to your smartphone camera and improves photography. These kits usually include wide-angle, macro, and fisheye lenses that let you capture different styles of shots. A wide-angle lens is great for landscapes. A macro lens lets you take close-up photos with amazing detail, and fisheye adds a creative curved effect. They are lightweight, portable, and perfect for vloggers or anyone who loves mobile photography. Mobile cooler, gaming fan. A mobile cooler is designed for gamers who play heavy games for long hours. It clips onto the back of your phone and uses a small cooling fan to reduce heat while gaming. This prevents the phone from lagging or slowing down due to overheating. Many gaming coolers come with LED lights and strong cooling technology, making them both stylish and effective. It's a must-have for people who want smoother performance during intense mobile gaming sessions. Bluetooth keyboard. A Bluetooth keyboard connects wirelessly to your phone or tablet and makes typing much easier. It's especially useful for students, writers, or professionals who type long emails or documents on their devices. Many Bluetooth keyboards are compact and foldable, which makes them easy to carry in a bag. Some even come with stands to hold your phone or tablet while you type. This gadget helps increase productivity and brings a laptop-like typing experience to your mobile device. Phone Sanitizer Box. A phone sanitizer box is a smart gadget that uses UV light to kill germs and bacteria on your phone's surface. You simply place your phone inside the box, close the lid, and within a few minutes, it sanitizes the phone without using chemicals or liquids. Some sanitizer boxes also work as wireless chargers, so your phone charges while it's being cleaned. It's a great accessory for maintaining hygiene and keeping your device safe from harmful germs. So these gadgets, camera lens kit, mobile cooler, Bluetooth keyboard, and phone sanitizer box, are not just useful. They're game changers for comfort, productivity, and safety. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing gadget content.